teachers and principal. My name is Vaibhavi Ghate and I am in 5th standard. My section is Grace and today we make dishwasher gel. To make dishwasher gel, you can see these ingredients we need. Okay. Then first I am taking this container to make our dishwasher gel. First we take water from our cup. You can see this is our water. This is cup. Then we take our baking soda. Then lemons. I am taking here 4 lemons and I am squeeze it. You can see I am squeezing it. This type I pour all the lemons. So I will mix this, you can see. Then we take vinegar. You can see I am take vinegar. Then I will take our Vim gel or Vim liquid. You can see. You can see this is done. After 1 hour we will meet. Bye. After 1 hour this our liquid is ready. I am pouring it. After all our this is ready. Okay, bye.